Hey, you know what? I heard some summary of the book Who Moved My Cheese, and here I learned so many things, but I want to share one thing at the time right now. So the thing is, one character is said, you know what? We are doing same things repeatedly, and we are the aspect different result in future. So it is happening with us as well. We are doing same things in our life, same routine we are following in our life, but still we are thinking positive thing will become, things will change, my life will succeed, I will become the most successful person in our life, but we are doing nothing. You have to understand, if you want to become something, you have to understand what habits you have to apply in your routine and start taking action, and then you will become that kind of person. But still you are feeling lazy, you don't getting, and you are not taking any action, you are not changing your routine, never things will done good in your way. You have to change it. One successful person is said, your success secret is hidden in your routine. If you want to change it, you have to succeed. If you will not change your routine, nothing will come in your way. No one want to listen to you, uh, how much bad story you have, how much you are feeling uh, like insecure, and so many pain you are feeling right now. No one is interested to listen it. People will listen only that time when you get success. So right now you have the time, you have the opportunity, every single day you have the opportunity to change your life. You have to get up, change your life. No gene will come in your life and say, okay, tell me your wishes, I will be fulfill them. No, you have to write down your wishes, you have to fulfill them. You have the responsibility to change your life. No one will come in your life or change it. You have to change it. Understand it, how much you are feeling you are in a bad situation. More people in the world feeling more in a bad situation, and they are feeling so much pain comparison to you. You are the watching this video, still you have the mobile phone, you have the room, you have to eat, you have the food for eating, you have to clean water to drink it, you have to become the grateful, and still you have the opportunity, but your time is going where? Scrolling. You have to stop this habit, because you are seeing those people who already doing things in their life, but you are the become the watcher and doing nothing. Nothing will change. You have to become the creator, you have to become the action. You have to take action, okay, for change your life. That's it. If you are not getting action, nothing will change in your life. Right now, get up, take action, make plans, and write. Write in a notebook what you want in your life. If you will not know what you want in your life, nothing will come. You know what? If you go in the ice cream shop and you say, give me ice cream, the person who is selling the ice cream, he will ask, which kind of ice cream do you want? But still you don't have the answer. He can't give you the right ice cream. Maybe he will come, he will give some ice cream, but you will not feel good taste on it. So you have to understand what's your wins, what's your desire, what's your plan, what's kind of life do you imagine in your life, in your future. You have to find all answers, and then you have to taking action on it. Okay, I hope this video will help you. I know I get so many mistakes here, but I have to taking action, because improving myself. You can also. Okay.